All rise. Vive le ve. The International Criminal Court is now in session. Dudian sa Corps Penal International, itavert.
Ahmad Al-Faqi Al-Mahdi, leader of the Hezbollah, the Morality Brigade, and member of armed group Ansar ad-Din, was found guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the war crime of intentionally directing attacks against 9 mausoleums and a mosque in Timbuktu, Mali, between June 30th and July 11th, 2012. He was sentenced to 9 years of imprisonment.
Mr. Al Mahdi personally oversaw the attack itself. He was present at all of the attack sites and directly participated in the destruction of 5 of the protected mausoleums and mosques.
This verdict, delivered on Tuesday, September 27th, at the seat of the International Criminal Court in The Hague, is the first verdict focusing on the destruction of historical and religious monuments. In the summary of the verdict read in open court by Presiding Judge Pangalangan, the chamber found that the mausoleums of saints and mosques in Timbuktu were common places of prayer and pilgrimage, and of common community heritage, frequently visited by the residents. 9 of these buildings had the status of protected UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
Will the accused, Mr. Al Mahdi, rise? Mr. Al Mahdi, the crime which you have been convicted of is of significant gravity. This said, the chamber has found no aggravating circumstances and 5 mitigating circumstances, namely your admission of guilt, your cooperation with the prosecution, the remorse and empathy you have expressed for the victims, your initial reluctance to commit the crime, and the steps you took to limit the damage caused, and, even of limited importance, your good behavior in detention despite your family situation. Taking into account all these factors, the chamber unanimously sentences you to 9 years of imprisonment.
ICC Trial Chamber VIII is composed of Presiding Judge Raul Pangalangan, Judge Antoine Kesia-Mbe Mindua, and Judge Bertram Schmitt. They found that Mr. Al Mahdi's admission of guilt and agreement with the prosecution is supported by the facts of the case. Mr. Al Mahdi admitted guilt at the beginning of his trial, which lasted for 3 days, from August 22nd to 24th, 2016. He is the first accused who admitted guilt to a charge before the ICC.
قد تسلطت علي زمرة من قادة ورموز القاعدة وأنصار الدين، وضعفت نفسي أمام ذلك كله، ولئن كانت تلك زوبعة شديدة عصفتني معها كما عصفت معها كثيرين من أهل العلم في البلد، فإن ذلك كما تعلمون لن يغير بلمحته العابرة تلكم الجذور العميقة التاريخية لمدينة تمبكتو وأهلها النبلاء.
The chamber also ordered that the time Mr. Al Mahdi spent in detention, in accordance with the order of the court, be deducted from his 9-year sentence. He was surrendered to the ICC on September 26, 2015.